In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner. So in order to delete a plan, what you can do is you first need to head over to planner.cloud.microsoft. From in there, just head over and then sign in into an account that you have that will actually have right there and subscription paid rise ups. So if you also are part of our organization with a paid subscription, you can also use that account from there. So on my case, let's proceed to click onto this sign in option right there. In there, just input your email, phone, or Skype that you wish to use, and after that, input next your password in order to sign in. So here is my actual plan. I have in here these three plans, and I want to actually delete the plan. For example, is this one. Let's click onto this part, hover to it. You can see these three dots, which is the more option. Click on this right here, and you can see this option for hiding it. As you can see, when you hover to any plan, they only have the hide option. So for example, let's just click onto this right here. And for this one, click on hide. And then this will hide that particular plan. If you click onto the show more option, this will actually show more options, which is the one hidden right here earlier. So essentially, hide works as a delete. However, do take note that under privacy, it needs to be only you and not shared with others in order to technically hide it from everyone and delete it as well. So hide works as a deletion for this since there's no delete option for it as well. So for example, let's try to open in here this plan. From in there, make sure that it's not shared to anyone. Click onto the share and make sure that it's not shared to anyone right here. And you can also click onto this expand right there and add this plan to your Outlook calendar if you want. Copy this and likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.